connected.
Welcome to another instructional video. In this video, we will go over the helmet installation for the 10U. This 10U installation video applies to the following helmets: the Shoei GT Air, the Shoei Neotec, and the Shoei J Cruise. In this diagram of the GT Air, we will be installing the 10U speakers, the headset buttons and microphone, the antenna, and the battery. Let's get started. First, flip the helmet up to a comfortable position and remove the helmet cheek and ear pads. Next, unsnap the back center pad. For more information on removing your helmet padding, please refer to your Shoei GT Air manual. Okay, now that the necessary padding is removed, let's start with the left speaker. On the left side of the helmet where the ear pad goes, Shoei has provided a way for you to snap your speakers in. The left speaker should snap into place with a little pressure as illustrated here. Next, take the antenna and place it between the outer shell and the padding. With the cutout facing you, slide it over the cheek pad snap. Make sure that the antenna cutout is not touching the snap in any kind of way. This can cause problems later on when you're trying to snap the pad back into place. Next, with the face shield up, slide in the button control between the upper cheek padding and the outer shell, as illustrated here. Now, in the back of the helmet, slide in the battery between the center padding and the outer shell. And now for the right speaker. On the right side of the helmet, go ahead and snap it into place. Now that you have the 10U installed, make sure that all the wires are tucked in neat and not in the way of any snaps. Starting with your back center padding, go ahead and snap that back into place and put your cheek pads in. And you're done. The 10U is designed to be heard and not seen. It delivers an audio profile worthy performance for your tunes and conversations in a stealthy setup that fits completely within the interior recesses of some of the world's best helmets. Thanks for watching and enjoy.